Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very common issue that many consultants face while working with custom MDF objects in the latest people profile. So, we'll understand why some custom MDF objects display the add button and allow users to create more record while others don't show the add button. So, how is it done? For example, let's see one of this custom MDF object, which is employee asset request. Here, the problem is that once an employee requests for one of the asset, he is not able to add and request for multiple ones together. I hope you understand the situation here. Now, let's see another custom MDF object in the people profile, which is employee certifications. Here, you can see that I'm able to add multiple certifications because it has an option to add. There's a button to add. But why is this case that here for this custom MDF object, we have the add and delete button, but for the previous one, there was no add button. This is simply uh, done through the parent-child relationship of the custom MDF object. Let's go to configure object definitions. We can create or view the custom MDF which is created. So I'll just show you the one which I have created for employee certifications. So here you see that I have added the relevant details like the API visibility, effective dating, MDF version history, label, object category as user transaction, and then I've gone to the fields section. In the field section, you can see the external code is set to user. This is because if it is set to string or auto number or something else, then this particular MDF object, the custom MDF object, would not be visible for us to configure in the latest people profile. So I've done it like this and I've added it as user. The next step is to create the child custom MDF object. So this is my child custom MDF object called certification details, which is cust certi employee. You can see the effective dating is taken from parent. API visibility status have been added as respective, and then object category everything is filled however it is required. You see external code is kept as auto number for the child custom MDF object. If it is kept as auto number, then only we'll get an option to add the other or the further details which are required in that custom MDF object. After that, you can add whatever relevant field, for example, certificate issuer, certificate name, date of issue, validity, certificate attachment, etc. Once this is done, you can click on Save button and create the child custom MDF object. But how are we linking the child with the parent custom MDF object? So this is simply done by going to the parent custom MDF object and going into the association section. Here you see I have put in a name as certification details, multiplicity as 1 to many. The destination object is the child custom MDF object. So in our case it is certification details and the type as composite. Then I can click on Save button. Post this, we'll have to give the permissions. So let's see the permission category, miscellaneous permissions. So we'll go to manage permission roles. Here we have to go to miscellaneous permissions. Here you can search for the custom MDF object which you created. So let's see here. This is employee certifications, dot employee certification, certification details. So this is the parent-child relation which was created. And this is the parent custom MDF object which was created. Make sure that the import, delete and create options are there so that you get an add button in the custom MDF object. So once this is done, you can log in and log out and then go to configure the latest people profile. Here you just have to create a new category and add the custom MDF object in the card. Once this is done, you can go to the employee profile and check the card which is created here, and you will get the option to add or delete the data you want from the buttons here. Don't forget one of the setting which is in the permission roles. So you come to employee views. Here you can see that in people profile categories, you have created the new category for employee certification. That should have the view button selected. If not, then it will not be visible in the people profile. So let's go back and see how it looks like. So I hope you got an idea of how you will make the parent-child relationship, and I hope this video helped you in your projects. And if you have any queries, you can let me know and tell me in the comments if you want me to make another video which helps out in such issues. Thank you.